Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is a continuous distribution, which is known as T distribution. In this topic, we will discuss the central moments of T distribution. In the previous lecture, we have already taken the raw moments of T distribution about origin. Now, we will discuss the central moments of T distribution. If X follow a T distribution with parameter n, then the central moments of T distribution is defined as central moments of T distribution is given by, we know that the central moment is denoted by mu r and it is given by expectation of x minus expected value of x raised to r. There are two methods of obtaining the central moments. The first method is use the formula mu r equal to expectation x minus expected x raised to r and simplify the central moments. Now the second method is use the relation between raw moments and central moments to obtain the central moment. Now I will use the second method. To obtain the central moment, I am using the relation between the raw moments and central moments. We know that the first central moment mu1 is equal to 0 and the second relation between the raw moment and central moment is mu2 equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. We know that mu1 dash is the mean of T distribution is 0 and the value of mu2 dash is equal to n upon n minus 2 for n greater than 2. In the previous lecture, we have already calculated the first four raw moments about origin of a T distribution. If a student want to learn the raw moments, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen and link of that lecture is also mentioned in the description below. By substituting the value of mu1 dash and mu2 dash in mu2, we get the second central moment as mu2, which is nothing but the variance of x is equal to n divided by n minus 2 minus 0 square, which is equal to n divided by n minus 2. This is the value of second central moment mu2 for n greater than 2. Now the third relation between raw moment and central moment is mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. By substituting the values of raw moments which we have obtained and discussed in the previous lecture, we get, since mu3 is a odd raw moment, it is 0 minus 3 into mu2 dash is n upon n minus 2 into mu1 dash is also 0 since the odd ordered raw moment of a T distribution are 0 plus 2 into 0 cube. So it is 0. Hence the third central moment of a T distribution is 0. Now consider the fourth relation between the raw moment and central moment, and it is mu4 equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 into mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 mu1 dash raised to 4. By substituting the values of first four raw moments in mu4, the fourth central moment, we get mu 4 dash is 3n square divided by n minus 2 into n minus 4 minus 4 into mu 3 dash is 0, mu 1 dash is 0, plus 6 into mu 2 dash is n upon n minus 2 into mu 1 dash is 0, 0 square, minus 3 into mu 1 dash 0. So it is, we are left with only 3n square divided by n minus 2 n minus 4. This is the value of mu 4, the fourth central moment of a T distribution for n greater than 4. These are the first 4 central moments for a T distribution. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the central moments of the T distribution and we derive the formulae and expressions for the central moments. If student want to learn the raw moments and other concepts from the T distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen and link of playlist of that lecture is mentioned in the description below. On the Learn Statistics platform, many more concepts from the statistics subject are taken and link of all the playlists are mentioned in the description below. If a student want to refer all the lectures, then go to the description box and refer all the lectures by clicking on the playlist of the respective topic. If a student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your classmates and students in order to understand the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. I hope student understand the central moment. If student has some query, please do write in the comment given below the video. I will resolve your query as soon as possible. Further, the students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. The examples of practicals are also taken on the Learn Statistics channel in the upcoming days. If student want to learn how to obtain the practicals, then please share to Learn Statistics channel and subscribe it in order to get the notification in the upcoming days. We will stop here in this topic and we will meet in the next lecture from the next concept. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.